Have you ever wondered why, as men get older, energy starts to fade even if you eat right, take your vitamins, or work out regularly? Most people blame testosterone or aging itself, but the truth runs deeper than that. What really decides how strong, alert, and confident you feel every day comes down to one simple thing: blood flow. When you were younger, your circulation was fast and effortless. Oxygen and nutrients moved like a powerful current through your body. But as the years pass, that current starts to slow. The arteries stiffen, the blood moves sluggishly, and the smallest vessels, especially the ones that matter for performance and vitality, start to close up. That's when you notice the signs. Mornings feel heavier. Energy fades earlier in the day. The spark that used to come naturally feels harder to find. But here's the good news, and this decline isn't permanent. You can actually train your circulation to come alive again, naturally, using simple foods that most men overlook. Now, before you roll your eyes and think this is another magic supplement pitch, it's not. I'm talking about something you can find in any grocery store, two of the most ordinary yet powerful foods on earth: pistachios and walnuts. Let's start with pistachios. Most people see them as just a snack, but these small green nuts are packed with something called L-arginine, an amino acid that your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes and opens your blood vessels. When your vessels open up, blood flows more freely. Oxygen reaches your muscles, and even your confidence gets a natural boost. In one study, men who ate a handful of pistachios daily for just a few weeks saw better blood flow and improved energy. And it makes sense. Your body doesn't run on caffeine or willpower alone. It runs on circulation. When blood moves easily, every part of you, from your heart to your brain to your manhood, starts working like it should. Then comes the second powerhouse: walnuts. While pistachios open up your blood vessels, walnuts help protect them. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids that keep your arteries flexible and lower inflammation. They also contain natural melatonin, the same hormone your body releases to help you fall into deep, restorative sleep. That combination, relaxed arteries, calm nerves, and deep rest is where real recovery begins. Because while you sleep, your body isn't just resting, it's rebuilding. Your blood pressure drops, your heart rate stabilizes, and your tissues get repaired. So when you give your body the right nutrients before bed, you're basically fueling your natural repair system right on schedule. That's why timing matters. Try this simple routine. About an hour before bed, take a small handful of pistachios and walnuts, around an ounce of each. You can eat them plain, sprinkle them on yogurt, or have them with a glass of warm milk. Nothing fancy, just a quiet moment to feed your body instead of fighting it. Do this consistently, every night, because your body thrives on rhythm. The more predictable your routine, the faster it adapts. Within a week or two, most men start noticing subtle but powerful changes: steadier mornings, calmer sleep, stronger energy, and a quiet kind of confidence that's hard to explain but easy to feel. You'll wake up lighter, you'll breathe easier, and yes, your circulation, the foundation of all strength and stamina, will start to restore itself. But this isn't only about food or sleep. It's about what happens inside you when your body starts working with you again. When blood flow improves, so does your mood. You think clearer, move better, and reconnect with the version of yourself that maybe you thought was gone. See, masculinity isn't about trying to be 25 again. It's about giving your body what it needs to keep doing what it was designed to do: perform, recover, and feel alive. The power isn't in a pill or a bottle. It's in consistency, rest, and the small choices that build up over time. So tonight, before you head to bed, skip the late-night snacks or screens. Take 10 minutes to unwind, grab those 2 simple nuts, and let your body do the rest. Because when you take care of your blood flow, you're not just helping your heart. You're reviving your energy, your confidence, and your connection to life itself. You don't need to chase youth. You just need to nourish the strength that's already within you.